Hey everybody, this is Blake Schwank with Colorado Computer Support. I'm here with my good friend, Brian Ferrario, and we are here for another episode of Where in the World is Blake Schwank? And today, where are we, Brian?
Calgary, Canada.
And we are here on the Plus 15 bridge system. So just like this bridge is designed to protect the people of Calgary from the brutally cold 30 below weather in the wintertime, we are here trying to figure out better ways with our peers to protect our clients. Brian, what's your company?
Alliance Technology Partners. We're based in St. Louis, Missouri. We provide IT support and for small, mid-sized businesses, financial services companies, and mortgage companies, and law firms, and other type of companies. And any type of company who wants to secure their business better.
Great. And one of the things I learned this week, like this, as we started talking with our peers, learning how to manage our businesses better, is one of the things that IT companies that work with their peers, they become better, mature businesses. And a lot of us, all the IT companies are selling antivirus and managed detection response and SIEM and all these cybersecurity things. But what makes us different, mature businesses different, is we actually know how to manage it. We have business processes. We have standard operating procedures. We have policies that guide how we manage our clients' networks. That's something that other companies don't have. And that's what we're learning here, is the soft side of running an IT business. So we're going to keep walking and talk to you in a second. So one thing I learned, like I mentioned, is the business side of doing the cybersecurity stuff, of the people side of it, the soft skills side of it. Brian, what'd you learn this week hanging out with our peers and learning more about it?
Well, I mean, with cybersecurity, it's a moving target. It's very difficult to keep track of all the latest techniques and threats that companies have faced today. So getting with our peers, we learn how they're addressing this threat so they can protect their clients and make sure that they never get in trouble with getting hacked or have ransomware. So just learning from them, learning new techniques and trends is very helpful to help us protect our clients.
Oh, yeah. So I think a large part of what I've learned here, and one of the reasons I keep going to IT conferences to meet with peers, not necessarily just to meet with vendors, is that we're learning how to run our businesses better. And if we have healthier IT businesses, if we have more mature and professional IT businesses, that means that we can take care of our clients much better than if we just have an unstable core competency to our business. So we can't just do the technical stuff, right, Brian?
Right. It's all about people. I mean, we're in a people business. We just happen to service technology. So, learning how to, actually bridge that divide with regular users at our companies to help them become more productive is the goal. So that's what we're trying to do and get better at every day.
And so you guys know where to find me at Colorado Computer Support. I'm here every week, and it's www.coloradosupport.com. Where do people find you, Brian? If they're in the St. Louis area, is that your core area?
St. Louis and Grand Rapids, Michigan, Alliance Technology Partners. It's alliancetechpartners.com.
All right. So if you need help, call us and look for a professional business that does IT. Don't just go and find the cheapest IT person, because while they may be able to handle the tech stuff, they don't know the business side and they may get you in trouble. So you guys have a great week. We're going to go out and finish checking out Calgary and check this place out because it is a really cool spot. It's where the Olympics were years ago, and I've had a lot of fun here with our friends, but more importantly, a lot of good learning. So have a great week, and we'll see you guys later.